Earlier also, my situation is the very worst. In the 2014-2015, DURGASOFT, huge number of students are there. 12,000 students, 13,000, 15,000 students at a time. Big number of students are there. At the end of the day, at the end of the month, my bank account is the zero. Or if any person is going to help me 1 lakh or 2 lakhs, then I will give the salaries like that. That's about my situation. Just in SR Nagar main road, 4 branches we had, 4 buildings we had. Just in Kokatpalli, in Madhapur, in Bangalore. Like multiple branches, multiple buildings, multiple rents we required to pay and so on. Then, one small book changed my life, man. One small book changed my life. What is that book is? 48 Laws of Power. Of course, very soon we are going to bring that. 48 Laws of Power. In that one topic, it is there. The growth is not in distribution, the growth is in centralization. The growth is in centralization, the growth is not in distribution. Okay? So, instead of maintaining 4 cows which are providing small milk, better to maintain only 1 cow which is going to provide huge milk. కొంచెం పాలు ఇచ్చే 4 గేదెలను పెంచుకోవడం కంటే ఎక్కువ పాలు ఇచ్చే ఒక గేదెనే పెంచుకోరా. This is the example. What? Next, with the 1 arrow, you can hit only 1 target. If you are trying to catch 2 rabbits simultaneously, you can't catch even single. Okay, of course, this point is from the One Thing book. I realized, so then, among all these things, Maitrona branch, Madhapur branch, Kokatpalli branch, Bangalore branch, next SR Nagar branches, among all these things, where I'm getting more money, like Maitrivanam building. Then slowly cut all. Then our focus, our energy, our time only should spend only on Maitrivanam building. Only on Maitrivanam. Then obviously, within a couple of months, my account balance, 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs, each account, 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, something like happy days came again in my life. Observe that. అరే ఆ బ్రాంచ్ తీసేస్తే జనాలు ఏమనుకుంటారు, ఇంకా దుర్గాసాఫ్ట్ అయిపోయింది అనుకుంటారేమో. ఓకే, అది క్లోజ్ చేసి ఇది క్లోజ్ చేస్తే జనాల కోసం మనం ఆలోచిస్తే మనం రోడ్డును పడతాం. If you are thinking about the people opposite, they may feel something bad about us, we may fall on the road. Remember that. Okay, that's prioritize, choosing, okay, centralization. Okay, like, so which activity will provide highest result? There only we require to spend our time. Getting the point? Any explanation is required?
The one which you said, sir. What people will think if we close the branch. This is exactly we think if we want to take some big decision or like,
Don't worry about the people.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry about the people. Whether they always going to think in some way. Even you succeed, when you fail, even you fail, some way they are going to think what you feel right from your heart. Do that.